Did you know that earning over $100,000 per month with a YouTube Shorts channel is not only doable but easy? But here's the catch. You have to choose the right channel or you're gonna fail. Imagine running a faceless channel that pumps out viral videos daily while you sit back and earn passive income. Ask yourself, does that sound too good to be true? Because if it does, stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know 5 different ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts channel to turn it into a money-making machine. But before we dive into the 5 different ways that you can monetize your YouTube Shorts channel, there is one type of channel that prints money like no other. Stick around and make sure you watch this entire video to learn what channel that is so that you can pick the best channel to monetize your YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you step-by-step how you can monetize your social media profiles without ever having to worry about unpredictable and unstable algorithms again. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 proven ways that you can monetize your YouTube Shorts channel. This is going to be from worst to first. The worst way is going to be a way that works and what most people do, but the number one way is one that not a lot of people do, and they should if they want long-term success. So let's go ahead and get into the 5th way, which is my personal least favorite, is the YouTube Partner Program and the ad revenue associated. Now, I'm sure you're aware, but YouTube has its internal ad revenue platform that pays creators for uploading content. Here, you're simply just going to get paid for uploading videos, and once you are invited into the YouTube Partner Program and accepted, you'll get paid for the ads that show up at the beginning or the end of your YouTube Shorts videos. And creators are paid based off of an RPM, or revenue per 1,000. The RPM can be anywhere between $150 and $200 depending on the niche, which we'll talk about later. But you would need to get 1,000 views, 1,000 qualified views, so that you can make the $100 or $200 that I mentioned previously. And here's how you're gonna get started. It's really easy. You simply need to meet YouTube Shorts requirement. You need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views on your Shorts content. Not only do you need 10 million views, you need to have those 10 million views within the last 90 days, which is rolling, of course. Then once you have those requirements, you have to be invited and accepted into the YouTube Partner Program. Once you are invited and accepted, you simply just connect your AdSense to your YouTube account, and then eventually the money starts coming in. The final step in this process is to keep posting, and then you get paid about the 21st of every month, depending on where you live. Now, you might be wondering how long it takes to see results with this method, and it can take as little as 1 month or as long as never. There are people out there that have been posting for years and have never made a dime with the YouTube Partner Program. Now, if you're wondering about earning potential, on the low end, you can make as little as $50, or you could make as much as $100,000 with the YouTube Partner Program every single month. But in order to make that amount, you are going to need multiple viral videos. You are going to need to upload multiple times per day, and you're going to need a little bit of luck. If you're looking for a real life example of someone that is already doing this, look no further than a person by the name of Charlie Chang. He runs 3 faceless YouTube channels, and he makes over $250,000 every single month with this method. Let's go ahead and talk about a few pros and cons of this method. The biggest pro is that it is almost 100% passive. Once you are accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, you just need to keep uploading videos and make sure a couple of them go viral. Another pro is that you don't need to sell anything. You are simply getting paid based off of the content that you create. While there are a bunch of pros with going with this method, I think there are many more cons than there are pros. Let's go ahead and get into a few. I would say the biggest con is that your content might not qualify for the YouTube Partner Program. Another big con is that the pay will fluctuate based 100% on your views, where the people are that are viewing your content, how long they're viewing your content. There's a lot of variables that you can't control. Another con is that you might feel like you're on the content hamster wheel while you got to keep uploading to stay in the algorithm and stay making money. Now, this is great for you if you are a content creator who can continuously make shorts that go viral, or you have a team of people that can constantly pump out 3, 4, 5, and even 6 YouTube shorts per day. However, this is not for you if you don't have the time or the energy to upload multiple videos per day, or if you're not willing to do the research to figure out which niches and videos within those niches go viral. Number 4 is affiliate marketing. Simply put, affiliate marketing means that you'll get paid for promoting products and services that you already know, use, and love. You can partner with over 11,000 different companies, some as big as Amazon, some as small as your local mom and pop, to earn affiliate commissions for talking about their products and services. And one of the great things with affiliate marketing is that the amount that you make really is dependent on the product, your content, and the traffic. Some companies will pay you as little as 37 cents for recommending a product or service. Other companies will pay you thousands of dollars for recommending their products and services. Affiliate marketing is really easy to get started. Step number 1 is to identify a product or service that you want to talk about. Step number 2 is you find an affiliate program that is associated with that product or service. Step number 3 is you apply to join that affiliate program. And once you are accepted, you simply make content, you make videos about that product, and then put your affiliate link in the description of your videos. And when people click and buy, you can potentially earn a commission. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take you to see results, and with this method, you could start seeing results in as soon as just a few days. However, depending on how well you are at content creation, it might take you a few months to a few years, if you're not very good at creating content, to start seeing your first commissions. Now you might be wondering how much money you can make with affiliate marketing, and on the low end, with just a few conversions, you'd make about $50 per month. However, it is possible to make as much as $10,000 per month or more simply recommending other people's products and services. Now this will take a considerable amount of traffic or promoting what's called a high ticket product or service in order to make that amount of money. One example of someone that is already doing this is a person by the name of Penelope Sheets. She is a Reddit user that has made over $2,000 simply promoting other people's products and services using YouTube. Now let's go ahead and talk about a few pros and cons of this method. One of the biggest pros is that you don't need to have your own products and services. You simply partner with products that are already out there. Another pro is that you don't have to worry about shipping, customer service, or having inventory on hand. You just provide a link. And I would say the third pro of this is that there's an affiliate product for everything. If you think of a niche that you want to get into, most likely there's a product or service that you could partner with and start earning affiliate commissions. However, one of the biggest cons of affiliate marketing is you are essentially selling a product or service on behalf of someone else. And if people don't click on your affiliate link and buy, you don't make any money. Another con or drawback is some affiliate programs have very strict rules when it comes to what you can and cannot say or do when it comes to promoting their product or service. If you violate those rules, you could be kicked out of the affiliate program and you could lose any commissions that you've earned. Great for creators that want to make additional money but don't want to have their own products or services to worry about. However, this is not for you if you don't like the aspect of having to sell things through your YouTube videos. Also, this is not for you if you are looking for instant results. Most people with affiliate marketing don't see results for at least a week or two. So if you're looking for something instant, it's not for you. Number 3, brand deals and sponsorships. Brand deals and sponsorships allow you to create content and get paid directly by the company. You simply need to mention the video or create a sponsored advertisement type video and you'll get paid. And the best part about this is that you don't need to be a huge mega influencer on YouTube. You could start accumulating brand deals and sponsorships with as little as 3,000 subscribers. Finding brand deals and sponsorships is relatively easy. It's not as easy as affiliate marketing, but it's easy. You simply would reach out to brands based on your niche. You would supply them with a branding kit, letting them know what your content's about, and see if they're willing to sponsor the next video. Also, there's a component inside of YouTube that allows you to connect with different brands, and you could go that route. Once you find one, you simply negotiate on how much you'll get paid, and then you create the video. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take you to see results with this method, and this method is going to take a little bit longer than affiliate marketing. Because you are going to have to find brands, negotiate with brands, and make the video, it could take you a month or more to start seeing results with this method. And as far as earning potential goes, on the low end, you could make about $100 with a small brand and just one video. However, with a large audience and multiple brands and multiple videos, you could make over $50,000 simply with brand deals and sponsorships. If you're looking for an example of someone that's already doing this, look no further than a person by the name of How To Basic. They are a Faceless YouTube automation channel, and they have accumulated over $2 million with various brand deals and sponsorships. Now let's go ahead and get into a few pros and cons of this method. I would say the biggest pro is that channels of any size can start accumulating brand deals and sponsorships. Also, there's an opportunity to earn a little bit of back-end money with affiliate links and different promotions. However, the biggest drawback is that this does require a little bit of negotiation, and if you're not comfortable with that, you might struggle. Also, another con is that some companies have strict guidelines of what you can and cannot do in your videos. Some brands will even require you to write out a script that is approved before you make the video. Brand deals and sponsorships are great for creators who are comfortable with promoting or selling products to their fan and viewer base. This is not for you if you are not comfortable with negotiations. Also, this is not for you if you feel like you need complete control over your content. Number 2, selling digital products. Now, this is probably my favorite way to monetize YouTube channels. Essentially, a digital product is anything that you can create over the computer. It can be songs, beats, podcasts, templates, workbooks, ebooks, guides, literally anything that you create over the internet. You create it once and you can sell it a million times. You don't have to worry about inventory, you don't have to worry about shipping anything, and the customers get it instantly. Another great thing with digital products is that you can price them at just about any price point. If you create a digital product that solves a very specific problem, you can price it as low as $1. But if you are creating a digital product that solves a big problem, you could charge $1,000, $5,000 for that product. Digital products are really easy to create and get started. Here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to come up with the digital product idea based on your niche. The next step is to create your digital product, and you can actually create this 100% for free. You could create a digital product using Canva, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and then you need to create a sales page. You could create a sales page for free using Gumroad or use Gbolt systems for as little as $9 per month. Then you just add a link in the description of your videos. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take you to see results, and this could be as soon as 3 days or as long as a few months, depending on how long it takes you to create the digital product, if the digital product is relevant to your niche, and if your target audience finds a large enough need for it. And as far as how much you could make, on the low end, you could make $100 per month with just a few sales of a low ticket digital product. However, you could easily make $100,000 or more with a digital product that solves a specific result, and it has a value ladder on the back end where you sell more products to that customer. Now, if you're looking for an example of someone that's already doing this, look no further than a guy by the name of Dave Nick. He has earned over $160,000 with his digital products and YouTube automation. Now let's go ahead and get into a few pros and cons of selling digital products. The biggest pro is that there's no inventory. There's nothing to store in your basement. Also, this is about 95% passive. You create the digital product once, you can sell it a million times. The only thing you have to worry about is people occasionally sending you an email saying that they never got the product. When you get that email, just tell them to check their spam or junk folder. It's usually right there. However, there are a few cons with this method as well. The biggest con is that this requires a little bit of marketing and building trust with your audience. Another con is that you kind of have to have a niche that people actually have a problem. Most people aren't going to buy a digital product based off of funny cat videos. Another con in selling digital products is that there is a decent amount of competition depending on the niche that you go into. Now, this is for you if you are a content creator that has expertise in your niche. You know a lot about it and you know how to help and teach people. However, this is not for you if you are not comfortable with marketing and talking about the digital product that you are planning to sell. And the number one best way to monetize your YouTube Shorts content is to direct traffic to your long form content. This is what you'd want to do. You'd want to link your YouTube Shorts videos to long form content for a variety of reasons. Number one, the CPMs are higher. Number two, you can promote your digital products, affiliate products, brand deals and sponsorships, physical products, and anything else that you plan on selling. Another benefit is people have a higher level of trust through your long form content. They get to know you, like you, and trust you. And when they do those three things, they'll buy from you. In addition, you can put more ads inside of your long form content. When your videos are 8 minutes or longer, you can add mid-roll ads, so that means ads in the middle of your videos, which will help you make more money. Here's the easiest way to get started with this. First, you create a long-form video about something of importance inside of your niche. Then you create YouTube Shorts about that long-form content, like snippets of that video. Then when you're uploading your YouTube Shorts content, you simply link to the long form content, and if people get enough value, they'll click through to your long form videos. The final step is to make sure that you include your money making methods inside your long form content so that you can maximize your potential revenue. Now you might be wondering how long it'll take you to see results with this method, and it could be as soon as a few days, but most likely it'll take you a few weeks to a few months. The number one reason for that is the conversion rate or click-through rate, or the number of people that see your short form and will click through to your long form is relatively low. With regard to earning potential, you could start seeing $100 per month if you've got a small channel with a little bit of traffic. You could make as much as $50,000 or more with this method, assuming you have multiple viral short videos and then a few viral long form videos as well. In addition, you will need to combine 2 or 3 different revenue streams to achieve that amount, but it is entirely possible. For example, there's a guy by the name of Al Guy who actually leverages this method perfectly. He makes over $20,000 by having people click through from his short form to his long form. Now let's go ahead and talk about the pros and cons of this method. The biggest pro is that the connection that you can make with long form content is much more stronger and much more profitable than short form video. Also, it's kind of a way to double dip. You would grow your YouTube shorts and your long form, helping you to reach more people. However, the biggest con of this method is it does require you to become great at making both YouTube shorts and long form content. And I would say the other con is that the click-through rate or the conversion rate is relatively low. There's not a lot of people that will go from YouTube shorts to your long form content, at least not consistently. Now this is for you if you make both short form and long form content and you're looking to add additional revenue streams. However, this is not for you if you only plan on creating YouTube shorts. You're not going to like this. Congratulations on making it this far in the video. At the beginning of the video, I mentioned or teased that one niche is better than all of the other when it comes to creating short form content. The most profitable niche is simply the finance niche. That is teaching people how to make money, save money, invest, save for a rainy day. That's the most profitable for a number of reasons. Number one, there's higher CPM, so you're going to make more simply by creating these videos. In addition, there are multiple revenue stream opportunities. You could become an affiliate, you could create and sell your own digital products, and of course, brand deals and sponsorships. And the fun reason is this niche is really scalable. Once you start making money from this channel, I'd recommend that you reinvest it, hire writers, hire voiceover actors and actresses, and then you could scale this opportunity essentially to the moon. Now that you know the 5 different ways to monetize your YouTube Shorts channel, watch this video next if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days.